when you were talking to Auntie, I was saying something.
You were talking too? This is going to be fun to edit. It's road trip day. We are headed to California to celebrate Scarlett's 8th birthday. We have the birthday girl in the back. Auntie is driving for the first half of the road trip. I'm sure once we get into California, I will switch to being the driver. The California freeways give Auntie a little bit of anxiety.
A lot of bit of anxiety.
I had a total of one person and one person alone ask for a travel vlog when we go to Disney. So that's what you get. It's 2 o'clock right now. I originally wanted to leave between 10 and 12. And then I slept through my alarm horribly. I didn't get up till closer to 9 o'clock
Oh no,
today.
Daisy is eating the microphone!
I'm sure you were ready by like noon, right?
I was up at 5 a.m.
The drive to California usually takes anywhere from 4.5 to 5.5 hours, depending on traffic. We haven't done a snack haul, a road trip snack haul in a while.
Yeah.
Should we bring those back, Scarlett?
Yeah.
You think so?
I was telling you, can we do
Every
a snack
single
haul?
time.
Can we do a snack haul? And you say, no. I've been telling you.
Triggered! She doesn't like her backpack full of snacks that I packed her.
We're in traffic already. We've been on the road for 15 minutes. My husband would be losing his marbles.
I want to know why we're in traffic right now. It says we're in traffic for an hour and 2 minutes.
Shut up. I put on my blinker to tell this good Samaritan,
Let me over.
This is a Final Destination shit.
Let's not. That movie just came back out. Austin would be writhing in pain.
Oh my god, he would be beside himself.
The trip would be over. It is now 4:36. We have officially rolled into Quartzsite. We stopped at the ever so lovely Terrible's gas station. Scarlett grabbed some of her favorite snacks. And then all three of us were feeling a bit hungry, so we did stop at Carl's.
Thank you.
Should I park and find good lighting? This is my Rylan Adams moment.
Oh, okay. I could see where he can get frustrated. What do you mean?
With lighting.
I'm not the biggest fan of this.
No?
No. That did nothing.
No?
No. What do you think?
It's fine.
Versus... I like it better closed. Oh, really? For our Carl's Jr. haul, we have onion rings, jalapeno poppers, Frenchy fries, spicy chicken sandwich. Oh, this is the jalapeno burgery thing.
I'm shocked.
And she looks thick
at the girth.
I will always get the double Western bacon cheeseburger. Do you have choice envy? I think she has choice envy.
I got the, kids burger. I didn't get a toy!
There's no toy?
No.
Aww.
I got some chips!
She already put it in her backpack.
No, they fell.
Oh, conveniently they fell in. She got a big Kit Kat and her sweet treat of choice, always the Kinder Joy eggs. What are you MacGyvering over there?
I put onion rings
Okay,
on the chicken sandwich.
not bad.
Just fried stuff on more fried stuff.
Fried stuff with fried stuff.
Yep.
Survey says, meh. It's jalapeno potpourri because it feels mighty crunchy. Yeah, solid. Not bad?
Better than the chicken sandwich.
Is it? Mm-hmm. Good.
The chicken sandwich is going to be a DNF for me.
Really? Is what spicy, baby?
The jalapeno popper?
Not really. It has a kick to it, but it's not like spicy. If you change your mind, I will save one up here for you. You took the ranch from me. Oh no, it's okay. Not bad. Right? The piece de resistance. I don't know what it means, but...
I was going to say, now follow it up with what it
It
means.
sounded right to say at the time. Oh yeah. I don't think I've ever gotten anything other than a Western cheeseburger from Carl's Jr.
Really?
I think we got it one time after a Thanksgiving camping trip on the way home, and I've
then
never
you never-
deviated. Ever. And it's probably because that's what Mom used to get. And so she got it for us. That woman knows how to pick a burger.
You went burger first and then fry?
She wanted to have Kit Kat first and then Kinder Egg.
It's a big fry.
Wow, that is a big fry, baby.
We're currently taking up like 3 parking spots. There's no one in this parking lot.
And someone just came up and parked right behind us in the exact same way.
At first I thought it was a cop. I was like, oh.
Oh.
Is he mad? He's not. He's just eating, just like us.
I wonder if he's vlogging, because he likes the lighting too. Mm-hmm. It could be. Are you shoot camera?
He's approaching.
He's approaching. I wonder how much it sucks to have to charge your Tesla. How long does it take?
I mean, that person has a sun visor up.
You know?
I'm having my Kit Kat.
Okay.
Even the cookie.
You're welcome.
Look at how massive that is.
Really good.
It's a big Kit Kat. Why you gotta...
I am who I am.
Why? Okay, are you team... What do you even call that?
Skinning it.
Skinning it or eating it normal?
All right, we ready to get back on the road?
Yes, we are.
Okay, guys, we are in California, and we have like really good views, and I just want to show you guys.
This is part of the Costco Disneyland promotion. It's a 3-day park hopper ticket with Lightning Lane multipass included and a voucher for food. This is what it looks like. It comes in this little envelope and you get this gift card, a Disney dining gift card. There's $30 on this and you get your paper ticket. Now this is a tier 3, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's tier 3. Tier 3 3-day park hopper ticket with Lightning Lane included. This bottom number right here is going to be the ticket ID number. You can see at the bottom we have the blackout day calendar for the rest of May. She is completely good. All of June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So the last day that you can use this ticket offer is December 19th. All the rest of the holiday days are blacked out. This truly was a fantastic deal because it saved us about $200. And honestly, if you're wanting to upgrade to a Magic Key, I think that this would be the only way that you could get a discount on being a Magic Key holder, because there's no way to differentiate that you got this ticket from Costco. All they see is that you have a 3-day park hopper. So if you would go to the kiosk stands, like at the front of the parks, and were to go and upgrade, you would essentially be saving $200 off your Magic Key, because they're just going to deduct the cost of this 3-day park hopper ticket from the cost of your Magic Key. So some food for thought. If that's something that you're into, if that's something that you're looking into, I would definitely try this route. We just checked into our room. We are staying at the Candy Cane Inn. So we have 2 queen beds, and I'll get a better video in the morning when we have some natural light. But this room is so cute. We have a TV, a little desk sitting area, a little comfy chair over there. This is a look at the bathroom. There are so many mirrors. We have 1 mirror here, 1 mirror here, and 1 down here. The room comes with a microwave, coffee station setup, and a little fridge. Ooh, no freezer. That's okay though. And I love anytime that we get to like hang all of our stuff. I don't know why, but I love like little hooks and things. There's whatever on that side too. Auntie, what do we think?
I like it.
You like it? Ooh, and we have a closet to hang everything up. And a Scarlet. And mirror number 5.
This one is our bed. Ah. Feels so good.
We have officially made our way into downtown Disney after a very long travel day. We actually pulled up during the fireworks and we got to watch the finale from the parking garage, and it was so beautiful and so much fun. We're here to spend a few hours in downtown Disney kind of going through the shops and scouting out the things that we are wanting while we are here for the next 4 days. Scarlett and I have park reservations, but Auntie unfortunately does not. So we might just scan in so that we don't get a strike, but kind of what's the point, because our passes expire on Tuesday. But we'll see. Scarlett and I are going on Pirates. It was a walk-on, so instead of scanning in and walking out, we're gonna do 1 quick ride, maybe 2 quick rides. I'm not sure, but my heart is happy. Fantasmic is going on right now. We got to see a little bit of that. We've never seen that show before, so I'll insert a little clip here.
Beware. Only the previous may uncover the mystery. Dost thou have the courage?
I don't know about this.
Dare you look deeper?
Well, sure.
Then
Oh,
behold.
Turn that little mouse's dream into a nightmare phantasmic. Imagine this.
That scared me.
Oh my gosh. We're gonna try to get in as much Disney as possible on this trip, as humanly possible. We walked over to Pirates and Phantasmic was going on, so we saw the end of that and then the fireworks went off and Scarlett got scared, so we dipped. And we went on Pirates and now we're here. Perfect! But when we were walking out,
We saw some fire.
we did see some fire. When we were walking out, Paint the Night was still going, so they had us go through the back alley behind everything, and this one did not like it.
Did it ruin the magic?
She hated it.
Oh.
Hated it. I would like to get a character hat, but I just don't know which one I want yet. That's adorable. Let me see.
Cute.
Oh, wow.
So cute.
And it's thick too.
Yeah. I don't need more sweaters. We live in Arizona.
But it's cute. I love the slippers. It's giving Mighty Ducks. Isn't it? Hmm. Cute. Oh, I like that. That's adorable. That's really cute. Yeah.
If it's under $70, I'll buy it. It's close. 74.
Oh, but with my Magic Key discount. With my
$74.99.
Magic Key discount.
No, that's not the game.
That's not the game.
If it's under 65, I'll buy it.
Not a chance, dude. Oh,
It's free.
What did you say? I don't.
65?
I don't remember what you said.
Whatever, I'm not buying it.
So if it's less than
20.
it's less than 20.
I'll buy it. 24.
24? Let me see. Oh my gosh. I would not pay $24 for that. Oh, Baymax.
If it's under $10, I'll buy it.
They're $34.99.
Shut up.
All the ears are $34.99.
These are the cheapest
Get real.
pair of ears. Oh, all of them.
All of the ears are $34.99.
This is under 34. I'll buy it. Is it?
It's $34.99. You were off by 99
44.
cents. It's 44? Oh, you're way off. It's 44.
I'll buy it if it's under 75. And it's
75?
44. So it's just
What would you use it for?
I'll keep my secret.
Oh, your secret things in it? Little Stitch sweatpants.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, with his little teeths. That's so funny. They used to have ears without his face, and it was just the ears, and they were like stiff, so you could mold them. Yeah.
That's not as cute.
No. She's found the Stitch stuff. I knew coming in here after the Stitch movie premiered would be a bad idea.
If this is less than 84, is it? Is it?
Oh, $90. Ooh, that is cute. I do like that that's blacked out. I do like that. Oh, it's a munchling bag. That's cute. A blueberry Stitch munchling. I'm going to guess that it's like 45.
Auntie?
That's my guess.
30.
30?
Survey says.
I'm going to say it. Where does it? 44.
44. That's a bag. That's a bag.
I like that one.
Oh, Scarlett. Will you try it on? No? Dude, what kind of heads can fit this? Yeah. This is ridiculous.
Come here.
Yeah. Oh, those are adorable. Yes, I like the like flocked look. I hate that it says 70 on it though. I do like the rainbow ears though. I do think that those are cute. Oh, a little spider bot. I do like it. I didn't see any keys. Did you see any keys?
No.
I didn't see any keys. I had a quick question. Do you guys have the key to Disneyland here, or is that only in the parks?
We're all sold out at the moment.
Okay.
And I think in the parks they're also sold out.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks for letting me
We
know.
will be getting a restock for a little while. For
Okay.
a couple weeks,
Okay,
so-
gotcha. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Sorry about that.
Dude, they're sold out and they won't be getting a restock for a couple of weeks. We'll have to see if we can find them anywhere. How cute. They're so fun though. Made our way back to the hotel. We are kind of in scramble mode because it is 1 o'clock in the morning. We planned to rope drop, but we had no food. Everything in downtown Disney was closed when I thought it would be open, so that's kind of on me. We weren't properly prepared. So we just need to eat and get into bed so that we can get up in the morning. Scarlett is going to quickly do her facial routine, her little skincare routine. Should I set up the camera so that you can do it?
Yeah.
Would you like to do it on camera? Okay. Well, to say goodnight, I will let Scarlett take over the vlog and she can explain her entirely new skincare routine as a almost 8-year-old. If you guys like videos like these, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you tomorrow.
First thing first is I'm gonna get my wristbands on. I'm gonna look bald. So how do we do it again?
At your chin,
At my chin.
ponytail,
Oh.
and then pull to where your hair is pulled back.
Wait, oh.
Oh.
I stand.
Come here.
Okay.
Good.
Okay. This is what I'm gonna use. So 3 pumps. So this is bubble, and on the back, blah, 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 blah. We do little pats. We don't rub. Like we do like strong fingers. Oh shoot. Is that good? I did it 2 times. My favorite part. Okay, this turns into a flower. See? It's not as perfect.
Everyone must put it on according to the Queen of Skincare. I didn't have any other sizes of moisturizer. Let's shake it out. There you go. Oh, wow.
Okay, so we're ending the vlog now. Bye.